Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the snake game by using Python. This game was made possible by importing the Pygame module. If you don't know what Pygame module is, Pygame is a cross-platform set of Python modules designed for writing video games. It includes computer graphics, sound libraries designed for using Python programming language to make your game possible. As you can see, I have imported the Pygame along with the time and also the random variable. Then we set Pygame for initializing the game, and also your game score and high score will be displayed in the screen. Right now I have a width of 600 and a height of 400 for the box. You can easily change the box value along with the module colors in the game. So without further ado, let's get started. This video is sponsored by Thomson Electronics. They are the best dealers in commercial supplies of electronic components in India, with high quality products and a wide variety of category to choose from. This is the Python code for the snake game. As you can see, first I have imported the Pygame module, the time module and the random module. Then I initialize the Pygame by setting pygame.int. Then I set the colors white, yellow, black, red, green and blue by setting their values. Then I displayed the width and height, which is 600 by 400. Then I set DIS of the game by display set mode with display width and height, and Pygame with the caption snake game by Sinomodif. After that I initialize the clock. Then I set clock is equal to pygame.time.clock, which sets the time. Then I set the snake block as 10 and snake speed as 10. Then I imported the font style and score font. First I have set the Pygame font as 25, then the score font as 35 by importing it. Then firstly I have defined the score by setting your score of score, then set the value to display the font and also display the bit value with 00, and we add up your score by making the score in the value with the color yellow. That is your defined score. Then I set a snake value for definition of the snake block and the snake list. For X in snake list, we set the snake font in X. Then the Pygame will draw the rectangle. The rectangle will be having a size of 10 and we add up equal to X plus 1. Then we define a message color. Here I have set the message color. Then the message font size as render true with the color. Then I display the built value from the definition. Then we set the game loop. If game equal to over, which would be false, and game false will be false. Then we set x1 display width by 2, y1 display height by 2. Then we set x1 change value equal to 0, y1 change value equal to 0. Then we set the array list of the snake, and the length of the snake is 1. So we need to add equal values to the snake value, which has a value of 10. Then we set foot of x and foot of y. The foot of x would be the range value from the display height as well as from the y value. Then we have if game is not over, while game close equal to true. If the game do exist or game do quit, we will set the value is at true. Then we display the fill as blue, which is the background color. Then we set the message as you lost, press C or play Q by controlling C or Q values. Then we have the Pygame to display the update, which the message will be updated. For the event in the Pygame, we set the event game and we set the event.type equal to Pygame equal to key down, and we set the Pygame event, which is programmed by quit, key down, block, k left, right, k up and k down, which is actually the arrow keys which is used to control the snake direction to x-axis or y direction. We have set it as else if conditions. If either of the key is pressed, the snake will move according to that. Then we set the direction. We need to control the direction according to the key is pressed. If the game close equal to true, then we change the value of the snake. Then we fill the color with blue. After that, the Pygame will draw a rectangle which displays green color, food value of the snake and the snake block. If that is correct, we will set the color it as green. Then we have the snake head from the array list. First, the snake would have a size of 10. Then we add up each values according to 10 with the length of the snake. That is what defined over here. Then we have the snake list equal to 1 for the snake head. And if the game close equal to true, or our snake value has been closed, our snake block and snake list will be added in each other. Then we set our score plus length of the score -1. -1 is required because firstly we have the value of 10 of the snake which is according to 1. Then we add equal values to that. If we have 50 in the snake, we will -1 and we set the foodie value over there, which would be a value of 4. Then we have the food in x direction and food in y direction which we had defined earlier, and the length of the snake plus or equal to 1. Then we set the clock dot tick of the snake speed which is according to raise the speed. If that is correct, then the Pygame will quit the game and the game loop will be ending. After that, we run the game. As you can see, a box has popped up. By setting your score is 0. When we press the spacebar or enter key, the snake moves. The green color is the frog which we had set. The length will be adding up when the snake eats the frog. As you can see, initially the snake length will be 10 and the frog length would be 10. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.